All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And the class that I'm going through right now is Rankin Technical College AWD, or Application and Web Development 1111, .NET Framework with Web Databases. All right, I've decided to kind of change around what I'm going over and the order in which I'm going over it, so that one of the first things we're going to cover in here is John Galloway, Brad Wilson, K. Scott Allen, and Dave Matson's book, Professional ASP.NET MVC5. But many of the examples that are in that book are based off of a Microsoft series of documents which were actually created several years ago, known as the ASP.NET MvcMusicStore. And as you can see, it's a 10-part series. So I've decided to first go over this series. I'm going to try to bring it back up into the world of MVC5, and we'll see how it works. So as you can see, part 1 that I'm going to go over in just a minute is the overview. And as it says, we'll create the project. In part 2, we'll talk about controllers. Part 3, we'll talk about both views and view models. Part 4, we'll talk about models and data access. Part 5, we'll talk about edit forms and templating. Part 6, using data annotations for model validation. Part 7, membership and authorization. Part 8, shopping cart and AJAX, which is, again, asynchronous JavaScript and XML updates. Part 9, registration and checkout. And Part 10, final updates to navigation and site design with a conclusion. All right. Now, I've already gone through chapter 1 by the time you'll have seen this in this book right here. But what I am going to do is, like I said, back up and go through this stuff first. So, I've already grabbed this right here. So I'm going to send this to the printer. I'm in my office, so if it sounds a little tinnier than normal, all right, that might be the reason. So I'm sending that, and you can hear it starting to print. And this, which is 11 pages, so I'm going to print out about 6 pages worth of material in just a minute. All right. I already went through part 0 in here with you, so what I will do is stop right now and come back in just a minute and go over part 1.